Oh my god. Do you want a pet penguin? No. You see?
You don't see it moving?
Y'all need to stop. Over here lying.
When you're just a submissive wife, she's like this.
Yeah. Is it good, Keiyana?
You don't have to.
Another one bites another. I'm like, my man ain't in the club. He ain't in the club. I am having another single girl summer. Hot girl single summer. So we are on our way to SeaWorld. You want to go to SeaWorld? SeaWorld, here we go. SeaWorld. 3 times. Okay. We're here.
I'm glad. Yes.
Hi.
I think they're walking back to the car to get it. I told them.
Gosh. There is no ride height check. Yeah. There's a ride called height check for anyone that is over 54 inches. Hi. Hi. Give me a huggy. 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 Taste the fish.
Put your hand in.
Roll your sleeves up, okay? Before you want to put them in?
It's fun. Keep it in. Keep it in. Watch. They eat dead skins.
Why are you eating this? Why are you eating the wall?
Take it off. Go, just try it first.
Whoa, you did it?
The water's cold. Look.
Oh my gosh, Khalil!
One finger it says.
I can't.
You're scared?
It's cool. He's slimy.
Oh my gosh. You want to try, Adrian? It's so cute! Oh my god!
I bet y'all can't do this.
Oh my god!
I don't like this.
Where?
Bro, what?
If you see something, I'm scared. Where?
What if no one sees it? They go boom right here.
You see?
There. You don't see it moving?
Y'all need to stop. Over here lying.
There it is. The workers took it to go eat. Come on.
Aw, that's not cool.
Because they want to eat right now.
He's like this. Okay, A, but turn like you. This is C. And then she's like this. He said, when you're just a submissive wife, she's like this. I told Adrian wherever we go, that's what I want to do. He said, okay. So he asked me a question. He's like, can you go get gas? And I said,
That's all you had to
I'm not
say.
in the area. I don't need to go get down.
High five. Hi, high five. Come on, high five me. No high five? He's taking a little bath. Kai Kai.
What's he doing?
He's a walrus right now. You penguin. You see, look. You see the penguin? Look at him swimming. You can see more penguins inside. Jump in!
Okay.
Hey, that penguin's supposed to jump. That penguin's supposed to jump. No, don't do it. No.
You see him? He's swimming.
Dang, Batman and Robin.
Step, Dom, go.
The camera up there.
Cool, Adri, huh? You want a pet penguin? You want a pet penguin?
How do you have a penguin as a pet? Is that possible?
No, literally.
Oh my gosh, you guys, there's a
The
crack right
baby
there.
penguins know how. The baby
If the water shakes enough, it's gonna go up. So that can
The baby penguin know how to swim.
Yeah.
I remember this character from Happy Feet too.
So many cute penguins.
Kind of a trip over his feet.
No. I'm not. No.
Why can't you buy it?
I bet that sauce is good. I bet you that sauce is good. You should have got the loading. Look at all that stuff that Keiyana got. Free taco.
might get fooled. That's not the part of
She's all,
That's the part that's not a part of the generation, right? Act like old school and ignore him. See, there's a balance here. No, this is not. This is alcohol.
Hey, G. Hi.
Beans and rice with it, man. Dom. Dominique. Dom.
Kendra.
No. The rice and beans with it. You must have mixed it. You ate all the meat now.
Another one bites the dust.
Why he biting that like that? Yeah, probably.
Just imagining eating
I know. You don't have to mix
Another
it.
one bites the dust.
Literally.
Get it. Is it good?
Oh man, I hate that.
Don't say hey.
Is it good, Keiyana?
Y'all done yet? Another one bites the dust.
Whoa.
I like whales.
Me too.
Whoa!
Homework.
Whale.
Okay, that's enough, you guys. Come on.
So we just made it back home from SeaWorld and why, how, and why? So many questions. It's almost 8. I gotta watch my Housewives of New Jersey. Oh my god. Like, it literally spilled everywhere. But yeah, we just made it back home from SeaWorld It was like an hour drive there and back, which I literally just did all weekend to go to Gas Lamp in San Diego to go out for my friend's birthday. But yeah, this was an eventful weekend. I am like going out having the mindset of just like not thinking about finding the right one, the right person, because honestly, I always think like I'm not going to find, I guess I shouldn't think that way because it's technically manifesting the negative part into your life, but I'm like, my man ain't in the club. My man ain't in the club. He ain't in the club. So I don't be stressing too much about it, but it was still a fun night. I just feel like sometimes drained by the fact that I am having another single girl summer, a hot girl summer, single summer, hot girl single, hot girl summer, hot girl single summer. It's been so weird because it's been over 4 years since I've been in a relationship, and I've been single for 4 years now. And it's just really, really strange to me, but I am trying to embrace it more and just get used to it. I think the best way that I'm learning to deal with it is to just take myself out on dates, because I feel like I'm missing that aspect of my life, and I'm not gonna cry. It's just I've been having an emotional week, and I'm trying not to. So it's a brand new week. Monday is tomorrow, and you know, it's gonna be a great week. Less emotional and just more fun, more exciting, more positivity overall. I hope I can start getting back on track with my vlogs, you guys. I've been slacking, and I know that. And I know you guys probably can tell, but I've been posting bi-weekly instead of weekly like I'm used to doing. I've just been overwhelmed, and honestly, not gonna lie, not having my finger makes it even harder to edit as much as I would. So it just sucks, but that put me like a month behind, and I think it kind of makes sense as to why you guys are seeing some of these videos a little later. But I'm supposed to be doing something for Memorial Day weekend next weekend, or this weekend coming up. I'm supposed to be going to LA with my friends, and I hope that I can just relax, have fun, and not expect so much from going out. And I feel like I have this thought in my head that I'll meet my person organically while going out to a bar. I'm not a club girl. I really don't like the club, to be honest. I'm kind of over it, but I do like dancing, so I'm cool with like a bar scene. If I'm too tipsy, then maybe I'll go to the club. But I just realized these pins have hearts on them. That's cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to say. People are looking at me now, so I'm gonna end it. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.